What if I told you that we created a stablecoin that cannot be crashed by speculative attacks, that its price is protected at the level of the algorithm itself? Sound interesting? Let's figure out how it works. In general, any stablecoin should remain stable, but history shows that not all projects can withstand market pressure. For example, we remember the collapse of UST in the Terra ecosystem, when the price fell to almost zero. The reason? Errors in the algorithm, the lack of mechanisms to protect against attacks, and a weak pricing model. We at DAO Tartaria analyzed the mistakes of previous projects and created an algorithm that eliminates the possibility of manipulation. Here are the key principles of our protection. Principle #1. Automatic rejection of manipulative transactions. Unlike most stablecoins, the price of our tokens is not formed on the market. It is determined by the algorithm. Any attempts to place orders with a price higher or lower than the calculated one will be automatically rejected by the smart contract. This means that speculators simply will not be able to influence the price. Principle #2. Independent oracles. Our algorithm uses several independent oracles to obtain data on the state of the system. This reduces the likelihood of attacks on the data source. Principle #3. Built-in protection against volatility. Liquidity or lack thereof does not affect the price, since the system does not allow selling or buying a token at an incorrect price. As a result, our stablecoins remain stable, regardless of the external market. Thanks to this system, our users get a stablecoin that truly lives up to its name. It is stable and protected from manipulation. This makes it an ideal tool for settlements, investments, and asset management within the DAO. Any financial system must take into account all possible risks. We understand that even the most reliable algorithm requires regular auditing and testing. Therefore, DAO Tartaria will conduct independent code reviews and implement updates if new threats appear. And thanks to the Oracle system and smart contract protection, we minimize any potential attacks. DAO Tartaria is creating a new era of algorithmic stablecoins, secure, sustainable, not subject to speculators. If you want to be part of the revolution in decentralized finance, join us today. Our team has been debating whether we should test our stablecoin algorithms for resistance to external manipulation by holding a public event. Help us resolve our differences. The essence of the event: announce a 30-day competition with a prize pool of $1 million. The winner will be the one who can shake the stability of the estimated value of the stablecoin during this period, but without trying to hack smart contracts and code. We want to prove that our stablecoins have the most reliable price stabilization algorithms in the world. How do you like this idea? We are holding a vote on this issue on our channel. Please spend 1 minute of your precious time and participate in the vote on our YouTube channel, and another 30 seconds of your time to donate for the development of our wonderful project. Then we will definitely understand whether this is a crazy idea or not.